Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a orangey tutorial and I'm not wearing a bra, so I hope you guys can't tell. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my lids, and I'm not going to prime my eyes because I'm too lazy for that. So I'm not going to do that. So I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to be taking this bright orangey shade right here. Just that orangey shade, and that is the color Hunts, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lid, and also I'm going to be blending it, obviously. So I created a makeup tutorial for you guys that I did for Halloween for Riverdale, and I recorded it on my boyfriend's camera. And I don't know how to use it. It's like one of those like big old Canon cameras, and I don't know how to use it. And so the whole time I just wasn't. I've already recorded a couple videos, and the whole time it's just each video was a seriously fail. So yeah, I'm just not gonna use that camera at all, because yeah, it just really pissed me off, and it just like got me in a bad mood. So I'm just not even gonna use that camera until I figured it out. Once I actually figure it out and actually 100% know what the fuck I'm doing, then maybe I will use that camera to record, but right now, no. So it probably won't be for a while, because I'm not really interested in that camera anymore. That camera just irritated me like so much and wasted my time. So yeah, I'd rather just use like a little vlogging camera and just buy lights for the background. But yeah, don't worry guys, I will have that Riverdale video for you guys, but I'm just not going to do that right now because I don't know, I just don't really want to. I might even just do like a little Riverdale series for you guys, maybe something like that. I just really wanted to do like a really orangey fall look for you guys before fall is over, because everyone, like, I woke up and it was Christmas. That's how I felt after Halloween. So yeah, so now I'm just going to be blending it. I really want to use this orange shade, but I'm not going to because I always use that shade, I feel like, in every tutorial. So I'm just going to be using the color In Light right there, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And then I'm going to blend it once again. Beautiful. Just kidding. So now I'm going to be taking the shade Firework right here, and I'm going to put that on my entire lid. And I'm using my finger for this. I'm trying to find a finger that doesn't really have such a long nail. For more of a metallic look, you guys can wet your brush, but I'm not like going to the ball or anything, and I don't really want to do all that business right now. So dang, lately my nails have been growing like so freaking good, but then they break. But they actually feel really hard. Alrighty, for my face, I'm going to be priming my face, or actually, alright, so for my under eye bags, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. thing. Just put it in the fridge and it'll feel really cool, and it'll help your bags, and it has like this metal thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger, or rub it into my bags. For primer, I'm going to be using the Master Prime Base by Maybelline in the shade 400, and it's just like a watery, silicone-y. For foundation, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal Whatever foundation in the shade F10. And I'm just going to apply that to my entire... To buff out my foundation, I'm using the M439 foundation. And I'm just going to be buffing my foundation in. For concealer, I am taking the Revolution Concealer in Define. And I'm actually going to spray my brush one time with the Mario Badescu, and I'm going to use that to blend everything. And my nose kind of looks really patchy. Not really patchy, but looks kind of crusty. I am, because I really need to exfoliate really bad, but I really can't do that right now. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Airspun, as always, and I'm just going to for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer, as always, and I'm just going to warm up my skin a little bit. And I like to bring it up here too, because it like raises up my cheekbones, you know? And I'm just going to be putting it on my sides of my nose, just like that. You know, a little fake contour right there, if you will. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I usually don't show you guys this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you today because I don't know. I don't really want to like edit a bunch of stuff, so. So for mascara, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. mascara. And usually I like go out to my corners, but I'm just gonna go up this time. Alright, so now I'm going to put on eyeliner. And I'm going to be using the Ulta gel liner in the shade Blackout. And yeah. And if you want your eyeliner to stay, then just put black powder on top of it. But I'm not going to do that today because I don't want to. For blush, I'm taking this Cheekbones in the color, it's by CoverGirl in the color Sierra Sands. The also powder is like makes it so hard to put blush on, so I think I'm gonna start putting powder only where I need it. Because legit, it's fucking hard. Like you can't even see it on my mirror, but you can see it on the camera. Like I'm going fucking ham. I'm going ham, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows with this e.l.f., you know, whatever. And you guys know I use this every single time. So I'm just gonna go in with my brows. I went through a phase when I wasn't doing my videos to like going out and living and bringing out all my makeup and just sitting on my couch and just watching a good ass movie and doing my makeup and take my time. Alrighty, so for lips, I'm going to line my lips with this nude shade. taking the Milani lipstick, and I'm using the shade Bahama Beige, like always. Not always, but I'm going to spray my face with this Mario Badescu. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Blossom Glow. Do one, yeah, Blossom Glow. I'm not going to tell you the shade, the number, because alright, so yeah, this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and blend a little bit up here so it doesn't look so freaking harsh, you know, just to blend it a little bit more with my blush, so it looks a little bit more blended. And I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please like and subscribe at the bottom if you liked my video, and if you want to see more videos, and hit the bell button. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye girls and boys, and bye.